You'll have to catch me first.
Mark, I'm stuck.
It's okay. I got you. Here, Nick. Take a look around. Fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Great.
Relax. You're perfectly safe. As long as you stay by me.
Yeah.
Here. Watch this. I'm king of the world. See? It's okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not as scary as you thought.
Look at me, Ma. I'm king of the world. All people that on earth do dwell.
Keep it down, will ya?
Come on, you miserable insect, sing to me.
Keep it down.
I can do anything I want. Yeah, and ain't no one said I can't. I ain't bad and I ain't coming down. And I ain't scared of hell and I ain't scared of Jesus. And I don't care.
Fine. Then you can stay here by yourself.
What? Where are you going?
And while you're on your own, you can reflect on your sins.
No. Please don't leave me. I ain't done nothing honest.
Well, I think you have. And you need to be taught a lesson.
No. Please stop it. I'm a good boy.
You'd better be. Otherwise, I'll tell Jesus.
No, Ma. Don't. Please.
He's coming to get you.
Ah!